This is part 2 of the front yard transformation of the Englewood Cliffs, New Jersey home. 2 weeks later, right on schedule, the finished product is completed. First, we're going to start with the paver driveway. We use a paver. It's a mega, it's a larger paver. It has a lot of texture to it. It's a thicker paver, so we can take the heavy traffic of cars and people up and down every day. We used a border on the top and the bottom to tie in this paver with the paver we used for the front walk. As you can see, we built the retaining wall that we talked about last time and stairs leading up to the transition zone and the front walkway. Everything is in the same tonality and colors, the grays and with some darker grays to kind of tie everything together. Walking up the steps from the driveway, we get to what we call the transition zone, the area where the walkway meets from the driveway, from the street, and also leading up to the house. Here we use a different paver than the driveway, but it's once again the same color tones, the grays, but the border ties in with the driveway, so now once again you have some repeating and it ties the whole design together with the hardscape. Once the hardscape was completed, we want to layer in varying plant material for color, texture, and season of interest. We started with gold mound spirea. It's going to be a low mounding shrub with the gold foliage for the whole season, and it gets pink flowers middle of the summer. To my left, I have a Japanese maple mounding form. Once again, it'll give you a little bit of height, but not overwhelming, and the color makes the landscape pop. Coming up here, we use American boxwood, repeating to kind of frame the front 2 sets of stairs. Going across, we have some PJM rhododendron in the backdrop. They'll get purple flowers in early spring. A large Kusa dogwood. Going over with a dragon lady holly. And then finally on the end, we have a cryptomeria. With the height of the home being so tall, we want to bring this down, so we use large plant material to ground it and make it part of the landscape. Speaking of incorporating elements into the landscape, we incorporated these shot rock boulders to retain some of the soil in certain areas. Remember in episode 1, we spoke about using a hydraulic jackhammer and breaking out a rock for the footing of the retaining wall? Well, these are the rocks that we broke out. We thought they were so beautiful and tied in with the design that we put them in certain areas to break up the lines of the retaining walls and make it look a little more natural and native to the area. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the Todé Show. Thanks.